How to remove friends on Snapchat fast. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can remove friends on Snapchat very fast, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to remove friends on Snapchat in a quick way, let's say that you have the Snapchat application installed over here. I want you to simply go ahead and then open them up here. Once you open the Snapchat application here, what you want to do is you might want to just tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen. Then over here you'll find this option known as My Friends. So you can just go to this My Friends section over here. So let me also go ahead and then do that as well. Once you go to My Friends, you'll be able to find all of the friends that you currently have. And how do you remove those friends fast? Well, let me tell you that if you'd like to remove a specific friend, you can just go ahead and long press on a person, tap on Manage Friendship, tap the Remove Friend option. But if you want to go ahead and remove them very fast, you don't have any other options rather than doing them one by one. When you use third-party applications that helps you to remove the friends fast, most likely you're only getting your account banned. So I don't recommend you do that. If you have lots of friends, you can just go ahead and follow them accordingly one at a time. Hope this video helped you understand your question. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.